Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a legendary name making a strong comeback in the dual sport world, the 2026 Honda XR350R. Known for its rugged reliability and adventurous spirit, the XR has long been a favorite among riders who want a machine that thrives both on the trail and the open road. The 2026 model brings fresh updates and modern refinements, making it one of the most exciting dual sport bikes of the year. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the XR350R is ready to make waves again. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda XR350R showcases a design that balances classic XR toughness with modern styling. The bike features slimmer bodywork, bold new graphics, and an aggressive LED headlamp that gives it a sharp, purposeful look. Honda has reworked the seat and ergonomics for long-distance comfort, while durable plastics and protective cladding ensure the XR350R can take on harsh conditions without losing its rugged appeal. Performance and powertrain. Powering the XR350R is a robust 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned for strong mid-range torque and dependable performance. It is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that delivers smooth shifting both on highways and off-road trails. Honda's fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response and efficiency, while the lightweight frame and long travel suspension make the XR350R agile across diverse terrain. Improved fuel economy and a carefully balanced chassis make it equally suited for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Safety and technology. The 2026 XR350R comes equipped with modern upgrades that bring it in line with today's riders' needs. A digital LCD display keeps key information visible, while LED lighting enhances safety during night rides. Select trims feature switchable ABS, providing added control when tackling off-road tracks. Honda has also integrated charging ports for accessories, ensuring convenience on longer journeys. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR350R blends its iconic dual sport heritage with modern refinements, offering a reliable, versatile, and exciting motorcycle for riders of all levels. With its rugged design, dependable performance, and thoughtful technology updates, the XR350R proves it's ready to reclaim its place in the adventure world. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the bikes that matter most.